So now that we changed the oil in the engine, we will be resetting the oil life display. First thing you will do is not step on the brake. You will click the engine start button twice. 1, 2. Now that we have the display on, you will go to info on the scroll wheel on the right hand side of the steering wheel. You will scroll up till you find oil life. Then you will look for the vehicle settings. You will click on it by pressing on the scroll wheel. Now that you're here, it'll take you to a different display where you will look for the maintenance info. That should be on 8 out of 10. You'll click on the maintenance info, and now you will see oil life. It says reset. So we're going to reset it by clicking on the scroll wheel again. Now it says reset completed. So now we're going to exit, and then we're going to be scrolling down until we hit oil life. And as you can see, the oil life changed from 30% to 100%. So now that it is resetted, you are done. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you for watching the video, and yeah.